So shout out to the guy, man. But yeah, that's what I'm saying. This censorship, right? This whole idea of them silencing you or you not being able to, speak freely about things, right? And then even in the aspect of information, right? We got to understand that you at the end of the day, you're not supposed to take anybody's information as true or whatever. You're supposed to look within yourself and understand if it works or resonates with you in your heart. You feel me? So you have to be mindful of what you're watching. I don't give a fuck if it's Dreamwise, Bobby Hemmett, fucking Andrew Tate, whoever, right? All these people. You got to be mindful of anything you're watching, right? So the power of people believing that, what I'm saying, that you can influence somebody is the real trap, right? And them putting you into this box to say, nah, you only got to speak about this, is holding us into a box, is putting us all in a box. You feel me? And that's, and that's not what this thing is supposed to be about. You feel me? We're supposed to be moving in a specific place.